What's up everyone? So today we got a 1989 VW Golf 16 valve slim bumper GTI. This came to me initially as a repaint. Well, that soon changed when I started taking bits off. The only thing that eventually stayed in this was the dashboard. Everything's been off, everything's been painted, repaired, replaced, powder coated, you name it, even down to the plastics. I've repaired, primed, recoated. In that job alone took an age, but when you start bolting second-hand bits back on a car, it just doesn't look right. All the underneath is done, which obviously I can't show you because it's on the floor. Yeah, there's hundreds and hundreds of hours gone into it. It's clearly not quite done. A few odds and ends. It's going to the tuners today. So hopefully when that's tuned up, I can do the final little jobs. But I'm having a few issues with the K-Jet system. It's going to a specialist today. But yeah, this has had a lot of work. Still due one more final buff and detail. But you know, it's looking pretty factory fresh now, so